Well, I blew the head gaskets in the Taurus on the way back from Nebraska, and I'm finally tearing into it to put head gaskets in it. It is, well, the date of this video was probably either yesterday or tonight, whenever I upload this. But I see moisture. You can see it there, like the the milkshake, and then in the valve cover. Of course, this car's been setting for just a little while, but not that long. Like since, well, I was messing with it the other day. But yeah, you can see all the milkiness. I ran it long enough the other day that that all should have went away. So it's definitely got a bad head gasket. I got to get the other valve cover off, and then we'll pull that upper plenum off, or lower plenum off, I mean. But we'll inspect that cam gear there, or the oil pump drive gear. Could end up like the original motor, which I'd like it not to do that. But Continental. Put on tires that are Continentals. Anyway, we're going to tear into that and see what happens as far as what the head gaskets look like. I know at least these two cylinders, this one and this one, I know are for sure probably blown because the plugs are like kind of a grayish or a tannish color. These front three were black, so I don't know about that. The only problem is those exhaust manifold bolts. Hopefully those won't snap.